जापान सरकार गठन यागु स्पेशल प्लानिंग प्लेटफॉर्म या न्याकगु संस्करण ये जुइतंगुदु दिगो उत्थानशील व समावेशी समाज व शहर बस्ती निर्माण लागि ग्वालियाको उद्देश्य जापान सरकार स्पेशल प्लानिंग प्लेटफॉर्म सन् 2018 गठन यागु खासा तुकिया न्याकगु संस्करण नेपालले जुइगोका सोमबार शहरी विकास मन्त्रालय न पत्रकार सम्मेलन याना जानकारी बिउगु ख
The Ministry of Urban Development, Government of Nepal feels proud to announce that the 5th edition of the Spatial Planning Platform with the theme National Spatial Planning Platform for Integrated and Climate Resilient Urban Development will be hosted along with the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism (MLIT), Government of Japan, and UN Habitat Regional Office for Asia and the Pacific, Japan and Nepal from 2nd February to 3rd February 2023. The Spatial Planning Platform was established by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism (MLIT), the Government of Japan, and UN Habitat's Regional Office for Asia and the Pacific in 2018. Is a network of stakeholders aiming to achieve the formulation and implementation of more effective spatial plans at all the territorial levels.
UN Habitat एशिया प्रशान्त क्षेत्र ज्याकुया सम्मेलन चोले बहस सहल अन्तर्क्रिया व अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय सम्मेलन जुया वेचको दुसा यो जुको सम्मेलन भुटान बंगलादेश कम्बोडिया चीन भारत इन्डोनेसिया जापान मोजाम्बिक मलेसिया फिलिपिन्स श्रीलंका युगान्डा व भियतनाम या उच्च स्तरीय अधिकारी व विज्ञता सम्बोधिकाइको चोको
Since its establishment, Nepal has been actively participating and now we got opportunity to host the conference. The conference has confirmed high-level officials and experts valued participation from 13 different countries: Bhutan, Bangladesh, Cambodia, China, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mozambique, Malaysia, the Philippines, Sri Lanka, Uganda and Vietnam to hold discussions. Governments are facing challenges in developing national and sub-national spatial planning policies and instruments due to spatial, demographic and economic shifts, increasing natural disasters, climate change and other challenges. The organized conference will give insights into how stakeholders are considering developing and rolling out adequate responses to these challenges to achieve green, sustainable, resilient and inclusive cities and communities.
सम्मेलन माघ 1920 गते यहाँ जुइतंगुदु